Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how you can add the S&P 500 on MetaTrader 4. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open your MetaTrader 4 software and go to Market Watch. So if you can't see Market Watch here, just go to View and click on Market Watch or Control M. Okay. After that, go and click on the right click on your mouse. Then go to Symbols. Click on it. And here go to Indexes. Make sure you are in Indexes and choose this one, SP500M, Standard and Poor's 500. Click on it and click on Show Symbol. After that, click on OK. And this is the S&P 500, as you can see. Now drag it and drop it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.